Hi friends, how are you? I hope today you are all doing good and you are doing just fine. So today we are going to draw two birds using the number 2022. So 2022, let's draw the number first. 2, 0, another 2 and another 2. Let's connect the bottom of the numbers. This is going to be the branch of a tree. Because the birds we are going to draw, they're sitting on this branch. Let's connect these lines here. Then we are going to connect the top of this two circle with another line. We're using the curved lines here. All right. So we are doing little more detailing. These two birds are looking at each other. Now we have to put the tails here. Also this bird have a tail. There are some leaves on the branch. Let's put two more leaves here. That's it. The drawing is almost complete. Now we're going to do little more details here. First of all, we can start from the wings. So let's do the detailing on the wings. The tails have the long feathers. So we're putting the long feathers here. And also let's put some shades here. Putting shapes on the drawing makes it more clear. Let's do the detailing on the branches here. So this is the drawing. I hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel for the more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.